Oh, Fox, this is Anthony on Honda Snowblower Enthusiast on Facebook and YouTube. Today it's Sunday, March 3rd, 2024, and I want to report on the storm that started here a couple days ago on Thursday. It started off really slow at first, and it's just been building up ever since. We only had about 4 feet so far in the last Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and this morning. That's not a heck of a lot compared to some places in the Lake Tahoe, California, Sierra Nevada area. Here's my neighbor's house. This is my street. It's just uh, it's just a pretty good storm. I mean, I've been up here for 27 years, and we've had bigger storms. But kind of like last year, we didn't have anything most of the winter, just maybe 30 inches or so for the whole winter. But the last couple years, these storms have been, hitting all at once. You know, uh, 4 feet so far, maybe. They're expecting another foot today, another 3 to 5 inches tonight, and then it's supposed to taper off. They're calling this a blizzard because of the mainly because of the winds. Yeah, shoot, look at this. Can't even see my neighbor's house. Um, yeah, it was mainly because of the winds that we had blizzard conditions. We got really, really lucky. Um, the power only went out once for about 3 hours. So, knock on wood, we're doing okay. Yeah, I've been keeping my blowers busy. Believe it or not, this car here yesterday was cleaned off. This was the only one that I got to clean. Here's my truck. It's a 97 Tacoma. And this is another car over here. It's just two-wheel drive. So this is my main car, the Subaru, that I keep clean for, in case I have an emergency, you have to get out. The plows can't, they've come up the road last night, but they can't really keep it. There's no place to push the snow right now. Here's my trusty 80. This does make the most of the work. It's got an impeller kit in it. And I got a couple backups now. I mean, I got another 80. Here's the shop. It's a mess. Here's my 80 backup. It doesn't have the impeller kit. Excuse me. So I only use it in the light, fluffy stuff. And here's a 928 that's custom built from the ground up. I've been using that too. It's got the 28-inch bucket, so it's really, really nice. It took me almost 6 hours to clean up this driveway yesterday. We had 18 inches the day before. And, well, I had to take a lot of breaks, mainly because of my asthma, but I probably worked about 3 hours total out of the 6. Today's going to be another long day. Here's my front yard. It's pretty good. I've been trying to keep the birds fed. But the Hondas are going to get another workout today. And hopefully we'll be done probably tonight getting this all cleaned up. So keep your Hondas ready all the time. I know you folks on the East Coast, different parts of the countries up in Canada, you're not getting much of a winter. And but keep your Hondas ready. Always check them out once a month. Start them up. Test them. You never know when they call this Miracle March because it seems like every March around the Lake Tahoe area we get slammed with these late winter storms. March is really not spring around here. We've had some good storms in April. We've had some great good storms in May even. We've had snow in June and July. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll have some more later.